So this is $300, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh this so you see this is all real. And as you can see, everything is still intact. Now I'm going to come over to this other CPA network that I work with right here, and you're going to see I still have earnings over here, and I'm going to go ahead and reload crack revenue right here. Okay, so now it's downloading. As you can see, everything is still intact right here. Now if I come over to my country statistics right here, you see that most of my traffic come from the United States and United Kingdom, and that's why I'm getting all these high payouts. Now I'm able to make all this money because I've been sending hundreds of clicks every single day to my CPA affiliate link using Quora right here. Now let me show you something real powerful. If I come over to Quora, you see that this my account has gotten over 5,000 views, and this account was literally created this December. You can literally see it says join December 2025, and I'm going to leave a link to this Quora account in the description so you can check it out yourself and confirm that this is not some kind of fabricated BS. Now I'm showing you all this just to establish a little bit of credibility right here. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I send hundreds and hundreds of clicks to my affiliate link. Now success and income are not guaranteed. I'm only showing you how I send traffic to my CPA affiliate links, and with all that said, let's get started. So step number one is to sign up for a CPA network, and for the sake of this video I'm going to be using CPA Grip because that's the easiest one that any beginner can sign up to. So you can literally come over to cpagrip.com right here, and once you're here, easily click on register, and once you click on register, you're going to be redirected straight to the sign up page. And once you're here, all you have to do is to fill out all the basic information like your name, email and password, and once you do, go ahead and click on register, and after that you're going to gain access into your CPA Grip account. And this is how a new account should look like. Now it's going to be all zero because obviously it's a new account. Okay, now once you sign up for your account, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select an offer you want to promote. Now I'm going to show you exactly what to look for when it comes to choosing an offer. Okay, so simply come over here and click on offer tools and click on my offers. Okay, and once you click on that, you want to click on the drop down arrow and set this on the United States. Okay, now after that you want to go ahead and sort this by the highest payout. Okay, so click on this little arrow right here on the payout section, and what that will do is it's going to sort this by the highest payout. Now the reason I want to do this is it takes the same effort to promote these offers. You might as well go for the highest paying offer. Now what you want to focus on are the email /zip submit offers, and if you don't already know how it works, is very simple. I promote these offers, and when someone fills out their email, I'm going to get paid, in this case $3. Now you might be wondering, why are we getting paid for emails? That's because companies need leads, and they are willing to pay us a certain amount for each lead we generate for them, in this case $3. Now this is not a get rich quick scheme. You still need to send traffic to these offers in order for them to convert. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select an offer that will be enticing to people. Okay, so this one right here says have a chance to get a $100 Hulu gift card. This other one says claim your $100 when this gift card, and this one says take a survey to get reward. And if you keep scrolling here, you're going to see a bunch of offers that you can promote. Now this gift card offer looks more enticing to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click over to this one, and you can actually zoom this and see exactly how the landing page will look like. So this is how exactly the landing page is going to look like when the user try to fill out this offer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be promoting this offer as an example, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get hundreds of clicks to this offer. Okay, so from here we just want to go ahead and copy this offer, and once we copy our link here, we are going to go ahead and save that on a notepad. So I'm going to pull up my notepad right here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in my CPA affiliate link. Okay, and we're going to be coming back to this in a minute here. Okay, so now we have your CPA affiliate link. You want to move over to the next step, which is building a bridge page. Now you don't have to worry, this is not going to get too technical. It's super simple, anyone can do this. So come over to sites.google.com. now once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the big plus button on the top, and once you click on the big plus button, you're going to be redirected straight to this page where you're going to have to build your site. Okay, so click on this and click on the trash can, and once you do that, you're going to have a blank template here. Now after that, you want to go ahead and double click and click on test, and after that you want to go ahead and input your title. So head back to CPA Grip and copy the title of this offer. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. Okay, once you have your text here, you want to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and set this on title, and go ahead and center this right here. Okay, highlight everything and make this bigger. Okay, so I'm going to put this on something like 30. So just like that, we have our title. Now after that, you want to go ahead and add a subtitle to this to make this more enticing. So I'm going to double click again, click on test, and this time I'm going to do expires by 30th December Okay, and I'm going to highlight this and make this red. And I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and put the text on subheading, and I'm going to put the align on the center. Okay, and I'm going to put the color on red once again, and I might want to make this bold. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like. Now we have this, we're going to be needing an image of a Wendy's gift card. So let's go ahead and copy this, and once we do, we want to paste that on a new tab, and I want to be like Wendy's gift card image. Okay, so let's head over to the images tab. And from here, you just want to go ahead and look for a nice image. So I'm going to click on this one. This one looks decent, but it has a yellow background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to do copy image address. And once I do, I'm going to head over to this website right here called remove.bg. And from here, I want to go ahead and click on this little URL right here. And I want to go ahead and paste in the URL I just copied and click on OK. And what that will do is it's going to remove the background of the image. And from here, I can easily come over here and click on download and actually download it for free. Okay, so now I have this image. I want to head back to my site once again, and I'm going to double click right here and click on upload, and I'm going to go ahead and upload my image real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and expand this. Okay, drag this to the center, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of resize this to perfectly fit. Okay, so once you have this, you want to open up a new tab and you want to search for celebration glitter images. Okay, and you want to go ahead and set this on the image tab, and from here you just want to go ahead and look for a nice glitter image that you're going to be using. So in this case, I'm going to be going for this one right here. I'm going to click over and I'm going to go ahead and right click and save the image, and I'm going to head back to my site editor, and from here I want to go ahead and click on this theme icon right here, and I want to go ahead and hover onto images and click on upload. Okay, and now I want to go ahead and upload the glitter image I just downloaded, and this is how exactly it's going to look like. So now we have this. The final thing we're going to be needing is a button. So for that, head back to your search bar here and search for claim button. And from here I just want to go ahead and get one of these images. So I'm going to go with the first one here, and I'm going to go ahead and right click, copy image address, and I'm going to head back to this website again, head back to the home page right here, click on URL again and paste in the image and click on OK. So now I have this button. I want to go ahead and download the button by clicking on download and clicking on preview here, and once I have the button, I want to head back to my page editor, and from here I want to double click on upload and upload my button. Okay, and this is basically how it's going to look like. So I'm going to drag this all the way to the center, and I'm going to go ahead and resize this. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this all the way. Now the final thing we'll be doing is to add our link to this button. So for that, click on the button, click on the insert link icon, and from here I want to go ahead and pull up your CPA affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up mine right here. This is my own link. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here, and I'm going to click on apply. And also I'm going to do the same thing for the gift card. I'm going to click on the gift card, click on the link icon and paste my link there and click on apply. So when someone clicks on the gift card, the person is going to be redirected straight to the offer page. Same thing when someone clicks on the claim now button. Okay, once you're done with this, you want to go ahead and give your website a name. So scroll up, copy the title of your website. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. Okay, one more thing we need is to add a free to this. I'm going to do free, stretch this all the way. Okay, so it says claim your free $100 Wendy's gift card now expires by December, and this here is our gift card and over here is our button. Now take a look at what we just built for 100% free. So now you have this, you want to go ahead and publish your website. Okay, so go ahead and click on publish on the top here, and once you do, you're going to be asked to add a custom domain name. So go ahead and paste in the name of the website you just copied. So I'm going to paste in mine here. So most times it's going to say your web address is already taken, but what I normally do when it does this is I just add a 0, and just like that we have our web address. Now from here you just want to go ahead and click on publish, and once you do, you are going to have a website. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and grab your website link. So to do that, easily come over here, click on copy link, and it's going to pull up your link here, and from here you just want to go ahead and click on copy link right here, and once you copy your link, you want to go ahead and preview your website. So I'm going to go ahead and preview mine real quick. So basically this is how exactly our website is going to look like, and when someone comes over to this website and clicks on claim now, they're going to be redirected straight to our offer. Okay, so now you have this website. The next thing you need is to start sending traffic to this landing page. Now to do that, you want to come over to this website right here called mostlogin.com, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description. That should be the first link. Now this website is 100% free. Okay, if I click over to the pricing section right here, you are going to see something interesting, and if I scroll down, you're going to see that this website is 100% free. Okay, the starter plan is $0, the team plan is also $0. Same thing with the pro and enterprise plan, they are all $0. So you can literally come over to this website right here and click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you are going to be redirected straight to the sign up page. And from here, you just want to go ahead and sign up using your Google account or your email address. So once you sign up for your account, you want to go ahead and launch the browser, and once you do, it's going to look something like this. Now this is my own account, okay, and over here you can see I have multiple Quora accounts. So I have QArc 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. So QArc means Quora account. That's what I use to remember my Quora accounts. Okay, so personally I have multiple Quora accounts. Now this step is actually optional. If you don't want to do this step, you can actually skip this part, but this step could literally 10x your result, because I personally have multiple Quora accounts that I use to send traffic to multiple CPA offers, and I recommend you do the same. Now I'm not saying you should go out there and create hundreds and hundreds of Quora accounts, but what I'm saying is you could create multiple accounts for different purposes. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this software so you can use it to create multiple accounts and send as much traffic to your links as possible. Okay, so once you're here, go ahead and click on create profile, and once you click on create profile, you're going to be redirected straight to this page. Now click on this drop down arrow and set this on social. Now once you do that, you want to go ahead and fill out your profile title name. So in this case, I'm going to be like test Quora account. Okay, so once you actually fill out your title, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the proxy section. Okay, so go ahead and click on that, and once you do, you want to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and set this on SOX 5. Okay, so once you set this on SOX 5, you want to go ahead and get a proxy. So for that, head on over to this website right here called nodemaven.com. Now I'm also going to leave a link down in the description. That should be the second link down in the description. Now this service is actually paid, but this will actually save you a lot of headache. Like for example, I mentioned I got hundreds of clicks with Quora, but what I did not mention is I actually got 3 of my accounts banned. This could happen to anyone if you're new to Quora, because you don't know all their policy, and for that reason you could actually do things that could get your accounts banned. But when you use proxies and anti-detect browsers, when your account gets banned, you can actually learn from your mistakes and continue with your remaining accounts. Okay, so this software actually costs money, but the good thing is it's cheap. You can literally come over here and get started for literally €4. Okay, and I'm going to attach some coupon codes in the description if I'm able to get one from this company. Okay, so once you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on here where it says try 1 gig for €399, and once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to this page, and from here you can easily sign up using your Google account or your email and password. Okay, so once you sign up, you want to log in into your NodeMaven account, and this is how exactly it should look like. So once you're here, you just want to go ahead and set up your proxy. Okay, so for that, easily click over here where it says premium rotating proxies. Once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to this page. Now you just want to go ahead and set a little bit of settings. So scroll down here, over here where it says random countries, click on the drop down arrow and set this on United States. Okay, so search for United States and click on that, and after that you want to go ahead and select a region. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow here, and I'm going to do Alabama, and I'm going to do a random city in Alabama. Let's do this one. And for the ISP, you can just leave the ISP as it is, and after that you want to scroll down and you want to set the protocol on SOX 5. Okay, now once you're done with that, you're pretty much done. So scroll up here, highlight this proxy number and put this on 1, and from here just go ahead and copy your proxy by clicking on this copy icon here. And once you copy your proxy, you want to head back to most login. So once you're here, you just want to go ahead and paste in the information you copied here and click on the blank section, and once you click on the blank section, the details are going to be automatically filled out for you. Okay, now from here just go ahead and click on check proxy server IP, and once you click on that, it's going to actually verify if your IP address is valid, and over here as you can see our proxy address is valid. Now from here you just want to go ahead and click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, you are going to have your browser profile. Now once you set up your browser profile, you basically want to go ahead and launch your browser profile by clicking on start here, and once you click on start, it's going to launch the browser profile, and from here you just want to go ahead and set up your Quora account. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab here, and I'm going to go ahead and search for Quora.com. Now once you search for Quora.com, you're going to be redirected straight to this page. Now you can easily create an account using your email and your password, or you can sign in using your Google account or your Facebook account. Okay, so once you sign up for Quora, you want to log in into your account. So I'm going to actually close this out, and I'm going to be logging into one of my Quora accounts. So I'm going to be using this account as an example here. I'm going to open this up by clicking on start, and once I click on start, it's going to open up the browser profile real quick. And from here, we can go ahead and start sending a bunch of traffic. So I'm going to head over to Quora.com. So once you're on Quora.com, what I want you to do is to go ahead and look at the posts on your feed. And that will give you an idea of what's working on Quora. But you don't have to worry. I'm also going to show you how I engineer viral posts. So from my own experience, a before and after picture works. And the picture of a strange looking object also works. So those are the two things that works. And finally, another element that helps a post go viral is the first sentence of the post. So you want to make sure the first sentence of your post is very strong and you have a strange looking image or you have a before and after image. So I'm going to pull up the prompt I use. So this is actually a prompt I use, and I'm going to leave a link to this in the description so you guys can go ahead and copy this. So all you have to do is to go ahead and copy this prompt real quick. Once you copy the prompt, you want to head on over to ChatGPT, and once you're on ChatGPT, you want to go ahead and click on the plus and put this on think and paste in your prompt right there. Okay, now once you paste in your prompt, you want to go ahead and insert your topic right here. So in this case, we are actually promoting a Wendy's sweepstake offer. So I'm going to head on over to our website here, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and paste that here where it says insert your topic. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Okay, so ChatGPT is going to pull up a strong post. So as you can see, this is a very strong post right here. So once you have this, you want to scroll down actually, and you want to go ahead and give it this follow-up prompt. Okay, so this is the follow-up prompt. I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and want to go ahead and paste that inside of ChatGPT. Okay, and click on send. So it's going to give us where we can add our CPA affiliate link naturally. That's why this is powerful. So it says if you are curious, you can click here to check out a legit free $100 Wendy's gift card offer that's currently live. Just read everything carefully before entering, like always. Okay, so what we have successfully done is we have created a strong post. We've also told ChatGPT to casually give us where we can embed our link, and this is really powerful stuff right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this post, and once I copy this post, I'm going to head on over to Quora. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on create a post. Now once I click on create a post, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my post here. After that, I'm going to go ahead and make the title bold. So I'm going to highlight this and make this a heading. After that, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and embed my link where they have click here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this, make it bold, and go ahead and add my website URL right here. So let's pull up our website. Okay, so this is our own website. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to head back to Quora, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here and click on add. Once we have this, we want to go ahead and add an image. So for that, you want to head over to this website called jiffy.com. Now once you're here, you just want to go ahead and search for the keyword Wendy's. And once you search for that, you're going to see a bunch of Wendy's GIFs. So you can go ahead and pick anyone you prefer. So in my case, I'm going to be going with the first one. I'm going to click over. So I'm going to right click and click on save as and save as GIF. Now I'm going to head back to Quora, and I'm going to go ahead and add my image. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and actually click on image and upload my image real quick. So this is how exactly our image is going to look. So as you can see, this image is going to drag attention because it's a moving image. That's why this is powerful. So once you have all this, you want to go ahead and click on post, and once you click on post, your content is going to be live. And I'll take a look at how this looks. Okay, so this is one strong post right here, and this has a very high likelihood of getting views and traffic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait a few hours to see if we actually get some traffic to this Quora post. Okay, so after waiting for a few hours, let's check the results. So we did manage to get 1.1k views, and back at CPA Grip, we actually got a few conversions. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this so you see this is all real. And as you can see, everything is all intact. Now I know you might be wondering, what if it passed 30th of December? How are we going to edit this? It's very simple. All you have to do is to head over to site.google.com again, click on your website right here, and once you click on your website, you can easily edit this. So let's say I want to do this 100th of December, so I can easily edit it right here and come here and click on publish. And once I click on publish, all I have to do is to go ahead and click on publish again. And once I do that, we are going to have our new site right here. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so basically this is how exactly our new site is going to look. So you can literally go ahead and edit this however you want. So I'm going to wrap this up right here. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value out of this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so when I drop fire videos like this, you don't miss out. And with all that said, I'm going to talk to every one of you all in the next video. Peace.